Uncle Mark here with another episode of Uncle Mark. Well, working on something, his own car again. This time we've got, my same 2010 Chevy Impala. This should be good for 2006, I believe, to 13. Plus somewhere there, Monte Carlo is the same bumper and the same lights and the same hood. So it may be very similar for that car too. It's not impossible to do. It's going to take a little bit of monkeying around. It's nice if you have an extra set of hands to help you out. I'm going to show you how to do it by yourself. Take a quick look and see what we need to remove to get out. I'm pretty sure. If you pay attention under here, the black is not coming down, so just leave it there. All you want to do is these clips, undo, leave the black there. Just undo the clips of the bumpers attached to that black lower panel there. They're like a push-out tab. You pull that middle centerpiece out. Just pull these guys out, I believe. Oh, come on. Well, that's backwards. No, I guess that's... How do they come out? You can probably just pull them out. I don't understand how that even works. It makes no sense. Let's try this one. Let's try this one. Can we just get under there? Not going to hurt anything with this bumper because it's broken anyway. There we go. That come out a little better? Nah, not really. Pull this whole pin out first, then this should come out properly. Supposedly. And then when you push it in, that's going to spread out like that. Well, let's try it for the rest of them. See if we can get this out without cutting it off. You know, whatever. I just want to pull it out, that's all. The whole thing comes out great. If not, come on, baby. Whole thing wants to come out. Just want the little end. I have to buy new ones. Uh-oh. Wow. Can we just pull the whole thing out like we did the other ones? Is there that much room? There might be. Okay. That came out over here. I should have bolts, and they are. Whatever size this is. 9/32. Wow. Back here too. It's gonna be a big thing to try and pull out of here. All to get in behind our grill. It's a little driver. It'd be a little easier just to spin. All right. that guy off. This guy off. Hopefully it's gonna be able to pull that out. Let's go to the other side. Get these guys out of here too. Probably a special tool for this, which I don't have. There you go. Let's get the other one too. Goodness, what a pain in the royal butt. Probably not really even made to pull out. What we're gonna find out later. Just some leverage here. There we go. That one came out. Now go and do those two there. Loosen them off a little bit. Oh, maybe I can just do the whole thing here. Oh, that's coming out. And this one. Got some gravel behind it. Uh-oh, come on. Don't be slipping on me now. What's going on? I think we got something spinning here. Anyway, it's let go, but the pieces come off. I'll have to try and get at it after. One, two things there. Maybe it snaps in. Oh. This is how this is going to play out. I'm going to be disappointed in that we did all that other work for nothing, right? Now one. Now one. It's weird that it's... Well, it looks like maybe we figured out how it works on there. I'm just going to keep going. Quicker. So I looked under there, there's a couple more clips. That we... Oh, baby. Okay. Don't want to break you. Wow, there we go. Oh, come on. There we go. Well, it's not hanging on by much now. Well, there's just a couple more clips in the wheel well here. You see there's one down here, there's one here, and there's one up here. I think if we take those off, that'll let go of the bumper. Take it from there. Looks like this is not even on here properly. pull the centers out. Oh, this seems to have been in there before or broken. I'm gonna have to get some new ones from the body shop. And then you can see, hopefully, not hanging onto the bumper. And I'm thinking it's probably a bolt right here. Pulling that on, and then that's it. If you look in here, way up, there's a bolt in there. Right there. 10mm bolt you're gonna have to take off. Bumper is attached to the fender there. What you want to see in there, I'm gonna take this light out. Let's pop this. Oh, and there's a bolt here, let's do that. I'm just grabbing tools here. Looks like it's 9:30 seconds. Sorry I don't have my trusty stand like I usually do. Then we could hold this all together with, you know. Light should just come out. Use the clip. You know, this is what I want to see. What's going on in here? Where's my light? Oh. So we see the top of the bolt there. I want to put some juice on it, some kind of something to help it come out. I don't want to break it off. Some of my favorite stuff. Fluid film. This can just about done. Oh, come on, Mr. Can. One squirt. Feels like there's something left in it. There we go. Let that sit on there for a minute. It should come out. There we go. You know, if you don't put something on there, it's going to break off. I'm going to just give it some juice. WD-40. Because when you pull the bumper towards you, it's supposed to slide in there somehow. See it moving? You have to play with it a little bit. But it'll move ahead. Spinning, spinning, spinning. She'll be out. Two hands, I'd have it out. Headlight's giving me a hard time. Good. It should just pop out. There's a pin going that way, so look. Fight around this piece here. There you go. There'll be a plug. Hopefully you can see the plug. Push the little tab. Yeah, sure. There we go. And it's out. That's the bolt that's right here. Need it. Coming off. Ugh. Don't tell. I'm turning it. There we go. Now, this should just pull ahead. There we go. Oh, we're still held under there. It's a little driver. It'd be a little easier just to spin. Oh yeah. I got it off. this guy off. Hopefully it's gonna be able to pull that out. There you go. There's the bumper. Not much to it. Bumper cover. Let's be. And that's all there is to get the bumper cover off.